Here is the quick and exact location of your Cricket 26 save files and config folders on Steam. Perfect for backup or transferring your progress. Open a File Explorer and go to C drive. Open the users folder. Open your username folder. If you doesn't know your username, then select the start icon. Here you can able to see your username and then double click on it. Now open the saved games folder and now open the Cricket 26 folder, and this is where all your game progress will be saved. Now I show you guys backup guide. Just go back and copy this Cricket 26 folder and paste it in another location. If something goes wrong, you can easily restore your game progress. Just copy this backup folder and paste it in this location. And now I show you guys the config file location. Open the Cricket 26 and here is the config file. Just right click and select edit in notepad, and you can edit the game settings in here and select a file and select save, and it will be saved. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.